So, good afternoon, ma'am. This is our report about understanding by design, a curriculum model. So, first, we have the 3 stages of understanding by design. So, stage 1, identify the desired results, define learning goals through first, content standards. What students should know and do. So, dire, content standards, if ikaw nga teacher, need nimo nga makabalo ka o unsay angay buhaton sa estudyante and unsay ilang angay makatunan. Then next, performance standards. How well they should demonstrate learning. So dapat as teacher kabalo ka og unsay ilang pamaagi sa pag-demonstrate aron maka-learn. Then next is essential understandings. Big lasting ideas learners should retain. So dapat og unsa to mga importante nga mga ideas is need nila nga sabtan og ayo aron ma-retain bitaw ang ilang knowledge aron magamit nila for the future. The next is essential questions, open-ended through provoking questions that guide inquiry. So essential questions is dapat og unsa tong mga pangutana nga ilahang ginaatubang is dapat matubag nila nga straight to the point and also maka-learn sila mga important nga mga lessons. So next is stage 2. Determine acceptable evidence, focus on assessment. How will we know the students have achieved understanding? So stage 2 tackles about on how your students understand what you give to them, the lessons, the learnings, and also the design. Then evidence comes from products, performances, and demonstration of skills, knowledge, and attitudes. So if usa ka nga teacher, dapat kuan ka kanang flexible ka nga mo accept of feedbacks whether negative or positive. And next,
so here we go on stage 3. Planning, experience, and instruction, design, instructional activities that help students reach goals. So stage 3 tackles about how you develop the students through activities, no? Saon pag hatag nila mga activities nga ma-develop ang ilahang mga skills, ilahang mga learnings, o ahan nila magamit ilahang mga skills in terms sa school. So first is explore. Find out prior knowledge. So i-explore nimo ang mga estudyante kung asa sila mas maayo, asa sila mas comfortable. So next is firm up. Confirm correct concept. So i-correct ang students kung sakto ba ilang ginabuhat or dili. Deepen, extend, and strengthen understanding. So isip usa ka maestra, isa ka teacher. So we need to deepen our strength and understanding sa pagtudlo sa mga students. Next is apply and transfer. Use learning in real life context. So mao nang magpa-activity ang mga teachers through life experience para mas ma-apply realistic ang mga learnings o mga knowledge sa mga students. So let's continue. 6 facets of understanding as institutional tools. First is learners demonstrate through understanding when they can. First, explain, no? Demonstrate and describe and synthesize. So, explain sa students na pag i-describe. Next is interpret. Explain meaning through analogies and examples. So, once or illustration. So, ang teachers need na siya mag-explain nga through na ay examples like even real life situation ni example niya o mga illustration or masabtan kayo sa estudyante. Next is apply. Use knowledge in new situation. So, apply kag mga new knowledge in different kinds of situation. See various perspective. Consider different viewpoints. Empathize. Understanding others' feelings or experience. Last is self-knowledge. Reflect on one's own thinking and learning process.
Where to framework, a guide for planning instructions. W stands for what and why are we learning. H, how to hook learners' interest. E, equip students for mastery. R, rethink and refine learning. E, encourage self-evaluation. T, tailor instruction to diverse learners. O, organize learning effectively. Challenges and UBD, or Universal by Design. Evaluation may not always align with lesson goals. Teachers often face content overload, risk of teaching to the test instead of focusing on understanding. Some lessons may become decontextualized or not linked to real life. UBD helps teachers focus on deep understanding by planning with the end of mind, identifying what truly matters, assessing meaningfully, and designing engaging, purposeful learning experience. Kina yung slide, nagisgot niya ang mga challenges na sa UBD evaluation. Nagpasabot kini nga usahay nga ang UBD dili pero may makatugma o makatumong sa leksyon or sa discussion sa mga maestra ug mga magtutudlo usay maglisod tungod sa kadagan sa sulod sa leksyon sa pagpokus lang sa pagtudlo para sa pagsulat